How to get effects on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get the effect on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have actually downloaded and updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated, you could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, in order to get effects and use some of the effects on Snapchat, we're going to simply open the Snapchat app. So once we open Snapchat, log into your account, and you can see by default this is how the interface is going to look like. And if you want to actually use some effects, you have to tap on this lens carousel icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen, which you can see this emoji icon. As you tap on it, you'll be able to see basically a bunch of different lens filters and effects which you might actually want to use for your Snapchat face or for your Snapchat account. So basically you can see all of these filters. Currently I'm not doing in any type of blank space right over here. Some filters actually require you to do some certain movements on your face so that you would actually be able to see what kind of effects they are. So we have, you can see different carousel effects right over here. You have a bunch of different ones. You could go ahead and simply choose the one based on your own needs if you actually want to add them to your carousel and so on. If you wanted to add some fancy text and designs on the top right, you'll be able to see all of these buttons. You could go ahead and use them to your own advantage if you actually wanted to. But then basically this is it on how you can actually get the effects on Snapchat. And if you want to actually browse more effects, you can see we only have a limited number of effects in this carousel. Let's say that you actually wanted to browse more. What you could do is simply scroll all the way to the right hand side and tap on this explore button, or else what you could do is you could also simply tap on this explore button at the bottom right side of the screen. So what you could do is tap on the explore button as you see it, and again at this place as well you'll be able to see a bunch of different filters. If you want to add them to your carousel, you have to tap on it and then simply select add to carousel. Let me select one right over here. And basically you have the For You section, you have the trending filters section, you have some of the most best face filters and world and music and creators and so on. And basically this is how you can get the effects on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.